Morning student, now we start the revision chapter number 2, that is data entry and the keyboard skills. Okay, now we start the rapid typing tutor. Okay, many software is there for typing, but we have used here rapid typing tutor. Okay, basically it is a free or it is a open source software. Okay, open source software is a simple, it is a software which is a free and you can download it from the internet. Okay, without paying any money. Okay, and simple, it is a basically it is a use for the rapid typing. Okay, or typing simple games. Okay, yes, basically it includes the 3 stages, that is known as touch typing technique. Okay, now let's discuss one by one. Okay, what is the stage 1? Stage 1 is a basically you can say it is the home rows. Okay, and simple you can say yes, caps lock key on. Okay, caps lock key on, and you cannot see in the keyboard, means in the keyboard is strictly forbidden. Okay, and simple you can say learning the lower and upper rows, the numbers rows and uppercase letters and the special symbols. Okay, learning in the stage 1. Okay, now what is the stage 2? It is a basically includes the memorizing used syllables and the typing words. Okay, basically contains the words etc. Okay, now let's discuss or move from the stage move for the stage 3. Okay, stage 3 is what? Basically it involves the actual text to perfect text. Okay, or a perfect skill required. Okay, means what? FDSA and JKL semicolon key is a what? It is a basically base position. Okay, now simple you can say it helps your finger to locate the base positions. Okay, means your finger left side your finger will be placed on the F and right side your finger will be placed on the J. Okay, so basically it is the basically base positions. Okay, simple the returns finger to the base position after each key stroke, means you can type each keys and after that turn back to the F and J. Okay, next is a color coding. What is color coding? It is a coding which shows fingers should press each keys. Okay, means the left index finger is a what? It is reserved for all red keys. Okay, and now the right index fingers is reserved for the green keys. Okay, means left is for wrong and right is for green. Okay, so simple you can say, and the thumb is basically used for the space. Okay, now let's next slide. Basically the base position of the numeric keypad is what? Means you can press the 5 with the help of middle finger, you can press the 4 with the help of index finger, you can type the 6 with the help of ring finger. Okay, and simple uppercase letter and symbols appearing on the keys in the numbers row are typed one hand with the little finger of the other hand holding the shift key. Okay, if you want to press the uppercase letter, then you have to use shift key and then press that particular letters. Okay, suppose you want to type the capital A letter, so with the help of shift and press the A. Okay, then the capital letter will be typed. Okay, and next is a do not look at the keyboard. Yes, when you are typing in the keyboard on the monitor, then you have then you didn't look on the keyboards. Okay, now 3 horizontal buttons in the board. It is a right corner. Okay, basically it is a telling about the software. Okay, means in the right corner you can see options, about, help. Okay, it is a display. And what is the 3 vertical button which is shows on the top left corner? Okay, where is the lessons, statics and lesson editors. Okay, if you want to switching between then current lessons or whatever, you can switch it. Okay, now next is your text panel. Text panel area is what? Where you can simple type. Okay, this is basically known as text editor or text panel. Okay, now simple next you can say lesson control panel. What is lesson control panel? Lesson control panel basically includes the controls or resume the current lessons. Okay, if you want to start, then you can start. If you want to pause, then you can pause. Okay, and you can also adjust your enable or disable the sounds. Okay, yes, next is your keyboard. Okay, What is keyboard? Keyboard is a virtual keyboard that will help you to learn touch typing with all 10 fingers. Okay, means you can customize its appearance on the lesson sections. Okay, student. Okay, now let's see begin lessons. Okay, how you can begin lessons? First, choose your layout. Okay, second, select a level, means which type of level, first level, second level, third level. Okay, next, specify lesson category, which type of category, low, medium and high, this type of category you can choose. Okay, next, finally choose the lesson that you would like to study, जो आपको स्टडी करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज रेडी, प्रेस एनी की, देन पुट योर फिंगर्स इन द इनिशियल पोजीशन shown on the keyboard and start typing the text. Okay, simple. When you are ready, then you can type. Okay, how you can interpret your result? Okay student, it is a very important how you can check your result. Okay, means basically 4 option is there for checking your result. Okay, first one is a green letter, it denotes the right input. Whatever you have to type, if it will be show by the green color, then it will be right. Okay, yellow is denote for right input but exceeding the acceptable time framework. If you have type time suppose A for 1 second and you have typed for 2 seconds, then it is exceeding that acceptable time frame. Okay, so it will be shown by the yellow color. Red is what you can type the wrong input within a acceptable time frame. Okay, take an example. If you type the letter A, if you type the type the letter A, okay, within a 2 seconds, okay, and your time is allotted 3 seconds, so it is a acceptable time. But you can type the letter W, or wrong letter suppose, so that's why you will be shown by the red color. Okay, and now the orange word, it indicates the wrong input that also exceed the acceptable time framework. Okay, means wrong put and also exceed the time. Okay, student, if you feel any problem regarding this, then you can ask me. Okay.